chairman of the Open Society Party Selahattin Akbar held a press conference to discuss police violence. According to Akbar, on November 4th, the party planned to hold a conference in the office of Sumgait branch of the Classic Popular Front Party. However, prior to the event, the police blocked the office and did not allow the conference to be held. In this case, they claimed that the reason for the ban was a gas leak. At the same time, the head of Sumgait branch of the party was taken to the police. According to Selahattin Akbar, when he arrived on the scene, there were police and plainly clothed men. They did not let me out of the car and actually forcibly took me to the police station number 3. At first they wanted to require me to make a statement, but after some phone calls, they changed their mind. The police told me not to hold the conference as Sumgait is developing steadily. Moreover, I was told not to come to this city, said Selahattin Akbar. According to the party chairman, their car was followed. This is a dictatorship, and only people can stop it, said Akbar, calling upon people and democratic forces to consolidate. The Open Society Party and Advisory Board of Democratic Forces issued a statement condemning the events in Sumgait.